friends, my name is Cheryl. I'm the communication manager at KIDsMART and the artistic director here at Whitcraft Improv Studio. I have with me my friend, fellow improviser, co-creator, husband, Chris. Great. And together we're going to teach you an improv game. Now there's two versions of this game. There's the smart version and the silly version. So let's start with the smart version. Think about whatever you have been learning about this semester, maybe last school year. Think about things that you've been learning about and what categories they might fall into. So were you learning in social studies about different states? Or maybe in math, were you learning about different math symbols? You know, plus, minus, divided by, all of those things. You know math. Think about the different categories, okay? So this game can be played between two students, or a teacher and student, or a guardian and a kiddo, anybody. And we're gonna be playing with the things that you've been learning about. So, Chris, let's say you have been learning about cities in the United States. So I'm gonna ask you, Chris, we're gonna play the game 7 Things. Can you please list to me 7 US cities, and I'll count them off.
Topeka, Kansas.
1.
Columbus, Ohio.
2.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
3.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
4.
Houston, Texas.
5.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
6.
Los Angeles, California.
7 things. So then we celebrate by saying 7 things at the end. And then Chris can give me a category too. So this game works with 2 or more people. You can pass it around in a circle or just go back and forth. This game also works via Zoom and FaceTime and all of those fun things. So that's the smart version, where you think about categories of different things that you have been learning about. Now the silly version. With this version, it can be any category of anything in the world, but there's a trick. So maybe it's cereals. That's a category, right? But it's not just gonna be cereal. It's gonna be types of cereal that do not exist, okay? Or maybe a category is articles of clothing. So shirts and jeans and whatever, but the caveat is, articles of clothing that do not exist, all right? So with this one, your creativity is going to help you explore all sorts of fun different angles of these categories. And guess what? There's no wrong answers here, which is why this one is the silly game. All right, so Chris.
Yes.
I am going to need 7 colors of crayons that don't exist. Go.
Nurple purple.
1.
Raspberry blue.
2.
Is that green?
3.
Hello, yellow.
4.
Why so blue?
5. 2 more, you got it.
Chocolate milkshake.
6.
And tapioca pudding.
Tapioca pudding. 7 things. So you can do that with literally any category in the whole world, as long as you add on the words that don't exist. So now you know how to play the game 7 Things. This is helping you make associations and connections in your brain and exploring not only what you've been learning, but also your creativity, your imagination. Just how silly can you get? Share your silliest or smartest things that you have named in the comments, and let us know what other types of improv games you want to play. Thanks, bye!
Bye!